Senator Risa Hontiveros declares her interest to become the next Senate Minority Leader in the 28th Congress. Hontiveros and outgoing Senator Coco Pimentel III are the only minority members in the current 19th Congress. In a forum on Wednesday, May 21, Hontiveros was asked if she would be interested to become the next minority leader. Hontiveros answered in the affirmative.
Of course, yun naman yung pangarap ng alinmang minority of an outgoing Congress, lalo na kung nakapagpanalo ng mga dagdag na kaalyadong senador, halimbawa, ay magbuo pa rin ng minority sa susunod na Kongreso. But as in everything sa pag-organize ng Senate, it's a matter of numbers.
Hontiveros notes the practice in Congress wherein the losing candidate for the Senate presidency automatically becomes the minority leader. If this happens, then she does not become a minority leader. Hontiveros reveals her next plan, which is to join or lead an independent bloc in the upper chamber. Hontiveros rules out joining the so-called Duterte bloc or the majority group in the upper chamber. Senator Bato de la Rosa earlier identified himself along with Senators Robin Padilla, Bongo, Aimee Marcos, and Senator-elect Rodante Marcoleta as Duterte bloc.
Para maging consistent sa nakaraang 9 na taon at lalong maging consistent sa mga susunod na taon hanggang 2028, 2034, 2040, importanteng manatiling consistent na hindi sumali sa majority, lalo na kung hindi naman ako kaalyado ng administrasyon, at mag-provide ng alternative pole or center of gravity para sa mga opposition and in the other independent forces, pati sa labas ng Senado.